Hello all. So we'll solve this question from H.C. Verma chapter 43, question number 21. Okay. So the question is that according to Maxwell's theory of electrodynamics, an electron going in a circle should emit radiation of frequency equal to its frequency of revolution. What should be the wavelength of the radiation emitted by hydrogen atom in ground state if this rule is followed? So basically here what they have given is we have to find out the radiation, the wavelength of the radiation that would be emitted if Rutherford's hypothesis was true. Okay, so basically Rutherford said that if the electron is revolving in its orbit, then there would be some radiation emitted. So we have to find out what will be the wavelength of that radiation. So the input here is that the frequency of the radiation is equal to the frequency of revolution. So based on that, we can easily say that we know general formula for frequency. So frequency is 1 by time period, and the time period of revolution can be found that the electron is revolving in a orbit. So your time period will be 2 pi r by v. Okay, now here we have to find out lambda. So lambda is equal to velocity by frequency. Now this is the velocity of the electromagnetic radiation. Okay, and this is the velocity of the electron. So both are two different things. Okay, now when we substitute in the formula, you can write this as C into T, okay, because frequency is 1 by time period. So lambda is equal to C into 2 pi r divided by V. Clear? Now our work is done. We just have to find out what is R and V for the electron in the hydrogen atom, okay, in the ground state. So that alone we need to find out. We have to just substitute in that equation, and then your answer will be ready. So for an electron, Z is equal to 1 and it is in the ground state, therefore N is equal to 1. Now the Bohr radius is the radius of the electron in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. So we know that it is equal to 0.53 angstrom. Okay, and what about the velocity? So there is a formula or a shortcut formula for velocity, that is ZC divided by N 137. Okay, where Z is the atomic number, C is the velocity of light, N is the number of orbit, and 137 is the constant. Okay, so from where do we get this? You can check into your books, you will find this formula definitely. Okay, so then if you substitute Z is equal to 1 and N is equal to 1, you will be getting velocity is equal to C by 137. That's all. Now we have to substitute in the formula for lambda. So that is C into 2 into pi into r is nothing but 0.53 into 10 power minus 10 divided by velocity. So that is C divided by 137. So you multiply 137. So C and C gets cancelled, and then finally your lambda is equal to, you have to just multiply 2 into pi into 0.53 into 137. Okay, so you will be getting 445.99 into 10 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So lambda is equal to 45.6 nanometer, and that will be your answer. So the wavelength of the frequency emitted for this question for this electron is nothing but 45.6 nanometer. Okay, thank you.